I'm Kyle with Polaris Service. Today we're going to do an oil change on the RZR RS1. So we've got some of the tools that we need here, as well as a funnel that comes in your toolkit with the vehicle. We've got some safety equipment including gloves and eye protection, and we have the vehicle in a clean, well-ventilated area on a flat surface. We have two oil change kits here, the PS4 kit and the PS4 Extreme Duty kit, which is better for higher temperatures. If you have any questions on our lubricants, visit polarislubricants.com or see your dealer. So let's get started. First thing we'll do is make sure the vehicle is in a clean, well-ventilated area on a flat surface and that the transmission is in park. Now we'll start draining the oil. So we've got an oil pan here and a tool to remove the plug. Another helpful tip here would be to throw a rag in the bottom of your oil pan. This helps prevent splashback when you remove the plug. The drain plug can be located through an access hole in the belly pan. Now we'll change the oil filter, so to access that we'll move the harness out of the way, we'll remove the seat, take that out of the vehicle, and we'll remove this access panel. Now that the access panel is removed, we can get to the filter. We're going to take a rag and put it underneath the filter to catch any oil that may drip. Before you install the new filter, take a rag and clean the surface where the new filter mounts, and make sure to clean up any oil that may have dripped when removing the old filter. With our new filter, we want to make sure that we lubricate the O-ring with some fresh, clean oil before we install it back on the machine. Then we can go ahead and install the new filter. Tighten the oil filter until the seal makes contact with the crankcase mating surface. Then continue tightening an additional 3/4 of a turn. With our new oil filter in place, we can reinstall the access panel and then reinstall the seat. Before you reinstall the drain plug, make sure that the copper washer is on the plug. It could have fallen into the oil when you were removing the plug. Before we reinstall it, we'll make sure that it's not gouged or damaged. If it is, it should be replaced. So we'll remove the quarter turn latch, strap at the bottom, and a strap at the rear. And then there are some plastic clips at the bottom. We've reinstalled the drain plug, so now we're going to go ahead and add our oil. To do that on the RS1, we will remove the dipstick and insert the funnel that comes in the toolkit with the vehicle. Now we can add our oil. The PS4 oil change kit comes with the exact right amount of oil for this vehicle. Once we've added all our oil, we'll remove the funnel, make sure the dipstick is clean, and reinstall it. Make sure you wipe up any oil that may have spilled or dripped onto the engine. The vehicle's in a well-ventilated area, so now we'll make sure it's in park, start the vehicle, and let it idle for 30 seconds. Now that we've run the vehicle for 30 seconds and let it cool down for at least 15 seconds, we will remove the dipstick. You want to make sure that you be careful around the exhaust. So we will wipe the dipstick clean, reinsert it fully and lock it, then remove again to check the oil. Looks good. We're about wrapped up with the oil change on our Polaris RZR RS1. The last thing we want to do is make sure that we dispose of the oil and the filter properly. For more information on our lubricants, check out polarislubricants.com or visit your Polaris dealer.